Oh, hi there. Didn't notice you. Hey, it's the Credible Crypto Corgi YouTube channel. Just wanted to check in, let you guys know I'm still alive, still trying to make content. Um, just a general update on Bitcoin. It's looking pretty good. Uh, Probably should be expecting a pullback to retest some lower levels at some point, and this is kind of really a make it or break it. Um, Scenario where there's something called a dead cat bounce, where something that's in a long-term downtrend gets a little bit of a relief rally before it continues down. And this can look a lot like a recovery. And so there's a lot of things people look at, just like everything else, nothing goes up forever without a retracement before going back up. The same thing happens to the downside. Nothing just goes, I mean, things can go down in a straight line if it's really bad. But most things don't go down forever in a straight line to rock bottom zero. There's usually terrible news or some sort of just technical reason why there's a price drop and it can go down real fast, and then there's a level where it bounces and people have to try to figure out, is this a recovery? Are people starting to buy? Is there more confidence in the market? Or is this just a dead cat bounce? Is this just something that is looks like a relief rally, but is a fake out and it's continuing lower? And if you buy into the relief rally, you're a chump. The markets have a way of trying to make everybody into a chump. It really is. It's a mechanism that tries to inflict the most pain on the most people. Very few people are actually successful in any markets, and it's hard. So these are the levels where you really want to pay attention and see if it's a make it or break it kind of moment for Bitcoin. I don't know. For me, I'm still sitting on the sideline. I had mentioned a while ago that I had money to buy. Maybe I would even buy at 42 when it broke out and became technically bullish. But I didn't, because the underlying fundamentals are still scaring me just a little bit. There's a bill that has gone through and is now pending approval in the House, who apparently I think don't even meet until September, mid-September. So it's just floating around in the ether for a while. It's been approved in the Senate, and it's the worst possible form of the bill for pretty much Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. It creates requirements for reporting to the IRS that are impossible to meet for the majority of the defined parties. So whether it was done out of ignorance or malice or both, people speculate, but it just fundamentally isn't good for the backdrop of crypto right now. And since the U.S. is such a large market, it's going to have a huge influence on everything going forward if this thing goes through. And the problem is it's attached to the infrastructure bill. So there's a lot of pressure to push this thing through. Just like they attach, for some reason, the way our legislation works, which has always confused everybody, I think, that knows anything about this, is they make a bill for one thing, and then they put all these little footnotes and addendums, little side notes nobody pays attention to, that has absolutely no relation to anything and is hugely impactful on whatever they're doing. Okay, we're going to make a bill here for road work. And oh, by the way, there's also this other stuff in here that says we can allocate money towards research into, I don't know, pick a topic that's completely unrelated to road work. It just makes no sense. But so they've attached this crypto stuff into the infrastructure bill. and it's looking bad. So I don't know. A lot of people are calling for a broader recovery and six-digit figure for Bitcoin before end of year, and I am at heart a bull, and I believe that the fundamentals of Bitcoin um, far surpass that price prediction. Actually, fundamentally speaking, Bitcoin uh, definitely can go there. Whether or not the the money tied up in the markets is going to filter into it that way, based off the assessed risk, uh, remains to be seen. Again, the market can remain um, the markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So yeah, that's just my update. Is I'm sitting on the sideline on a lot of things. Haven't been making too many videos because I have gotten involved in 18 different projects that are all going nowhere, and it's very frustrating. So I've been planning on making videos on each of these things, and I can't make half videos, and I still don't have very much audience. So it's been a struggle. Guys, let me know. I've been also dabbling a lot more since I've been on the sideline with cryptos. I've just been dabbling with some trading stocks and equities and stuff like that. So I do that too. I know I had mentioned maybe I didn't include some of that in the channel. If you guys are interested in stuff like that, I can make videos. My biggest positions are still crypto related, like Mar and Riot, but I do some YOLO gambles here and there, like AMC, GME. I'm not above that. I don't know. Money's money. Um, and I won't touch Doge, but I do like AMC. I don't know. So yeah, I've been my attention's been here and there and everywhere in between. So yeah, just my update. Still have really no direction for the channel. Guys, let me know if there's. I do appreciate my 2 or 3 diehard viewers that will always watch and always leave comments on my videos. Thank you so much for the engagement. I know it is important to the YouTube algorithm. I still haven't been deleted yet, so small victory. Okay. Catchphrase here.